Good morning. 4:30 in the morning now. I start running for my LSD, long slow distance, 21 kilometers. I chose a morning run because today is my off. That's why I run LSD. So it's better run in the morning. Now the temperature here in Oman too much hot. That's why I run morning for my LSD. 3 kilometers. Good morning. Three kilometers. Four kilometers. Good morning. I'm here in the middle of the desert. I'm running now, approaching 5 kilometers. You see the desert, I know. I'm here in the desert of Oman. I'm working here. I'm running LSD, 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers. I'm running 21 yung LSD 21 kilometers. Easy run. Seven kilometers na ako. See that? Yeah, that sun, huh? See that sun? Sun. You see that sun? That sun in the middle of the desert. 6 a.m. in the morning. You see the sun? That sun. 6 a.m. in the morning. That's sun here in the middle of the desert. That's why I'm running early in the morning, because if you run around 8 o'clock in the morning, temperature in Oman is very hot. That's why I'm running start 4:30 in the morning, so now around 6 o'clock. Nine kilometers. Like the sign in the middle of the desert, that one. Like a mountain, small mountain, that's sand. Good morning. You see that? That sand, like a mountain, a small mountain. This one. See that one? I'm here in the middle of the desert. I'm running in the middle of the desert. Oh, man. That one, that the sand. Oh no. I'm sweaty. I'm running now 9 kilometers, approaching 10 kilometers. I'm running LSD, 21 kilometers to today. I start 4:30 in the morning. Not now. That sand. That sun is here in Oman, in the middle of the desert. Morning. That desert in the middle, and Oman. Desert in Oman. Now the sun is coming out. 6:15 in the morning. Yeah. Good morning. That the sun of the middle of the desert. Around 6:30 in the morning here. I'm running now LSD. 21 kilometers. I done 10 kilometers. I done 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers now. So I have 11 kilometers more. That the sun in the middle of the desert here. The sun. Done already 10 kilometers. So we have 11 kilometers more. Now the sun coming out. I'm sweaty. And done 10 kilometers. Approaching 11 kilometers. Because now the sun come out 6:30 in the morning here in Oman. See that one? The sun here. Here. Yeah, the sun here. That sun. The sun in the middle of the desert in Oman. I'm afraid sometimes we have snake hiding here in the sand. That's why, you know, and be careful this one. This is sand. Sand in the middle of the desert. I'm afraid sometimes, you know, some snakes are hiding in the sand here in the desert. See, like a small, no, small mountain. That sun, you know, that sun. The sun comes out now. Yeah, the sun. There, the sun. 6:30 in the morning. 6:30 in the morning, the sun come out to around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Very hot here. The temperature in Oman very hot. Okay. That's the sand. Sand. Okay. Now the sun is there. Come on, you need to finish before 8 o'clock. This, that's sun. Sun in the middle of the desert. That's the sun. Sun in the middle of the desert. 11 kilometers. 11 kilometers. We have 10 kilometers more. Now, I will eat energy. I have dates. Dates, this one, dates natural sugar. No content sugar because this one dates natural sugar. This fruit from the air in the middle is good, giving energy for the runner. The sun. See the sun is now more hot coming. Camel sign. That means you have camel here sometimes across here, crossing this road. And then you have that sun also. That sun in the middle of the desert. Sun, that sun, and then the sign of camel. Twelve kilometers. 12 kilometers. We have 10 more, 9 more. We'll drink. I'll bring a collapsible water bottle, and then this one is electrolyte. This electrolyte. This real collapsible water bottle. Now sun coming out. The temperature getting little hot. Maybe 7 o'clock in the morning already. Sweetie. Hot. Now the temperature maybe around 30 maybe. 7 o'clock in the morning here in Oman. The temperature 30. We have 4 kilometers more. 21 kilometer LSD. $17 kilometers. I'm wearing a glass because now sunlight. See, that's the sunlight. Sunlight. I'm facing in the sunlight. Daan 20 kilometers, 1 more kilometer. I'll be back. Shukran. Done today 21 kilometer LSD. 3 hours and 2 minutes and 2 minutes. Reflect straight to my eyes. But now sunlight at the back, my back. See the sunlight. Not the sunlight.